Hello everyone, this is Vincent Martone here again at MarineMax in Clearwater, and today I have a pleasure of taking you through a Boston Whaler 2021 420 Outrage with all the options you're really going to love. First thing I want you to take a look at is the motor package. We equipped this boat with quad 450 racing motors by Mercury, and you've probably noticed that this is a color you've never seen on a Boston Whaler before. It's a beautiful dark blue, which complements very well the steel blue that's actually on the side of this boat. Follow me up to the helm station. I have a couple other options I want to show you. Right up here you can see we've got Seakeeper gyro stabilization, triple helm seats, triple Raymarine screens, joystick piloting, auto trim tabs, and then I really want you to take a look up here. There is a sunroof on this 420 Outrage. And with all 420 Outrages, you have a beautiful cabin down below. Follow me up to the bow. This space right here is what's really going to impress the family members. This is where they're going to like to hang out while you're fishing, read a book, have a cocktail. And again, that blue is just absolutely stunning to see in person. If you'd like to come take a look at this particular boat or any of our other boats here at MarineMax, come on down, pay me a visit. Or you can hit me up on my cell phone. It's area code 803-760-0609. Or you can visit us anytime at www.marinemax.com. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, make sure you click that like and subscribe button. Again, this has been Vincent Martone at MarineMax in Clearwater. Thank you for joining me.